Back to Ninja air fryers, the Ninja Foodi AF300. Air fryers have been so popular since the energy crisis. With energy bills set to rise, I think we're going to see a resurgence. This product is 7.6 litres. It's the twin drawer product, so you can cook small amounts or you can cook two different things and have them ready at the same time. You have the ability to set the temperature separately on one drawer and on the second drawer, and then sync them together so that if one takes 20 minutes to cook and one's only going to take 12, at 12 minutes the second drawer will begin and the food's ready at the same time. We have a very similar product to this at home. We find it really versatile. We cook in it probably 4 or 5 days out of 7. It's very quick, it's very economical, it's easy to keep clean. These little grills, which sit in the bottom of the drawers, can go in the dishwasher or in the sink. And we normally just put some washing up liquid in, very hot water, give it a wash round, and it's ready to go back together. So it's so much easier to keep clean than an electric fan oven. Superb product, energy saving, quick, efficient. I think it's a must for this winter.